and welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Abigail R. Karmalim bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Candidates eagerly awaits the decisions of the public of Soyong. National Law University of Meghalaya to function on July. KHADC presents a solution for farmers enduring hardships. And public demands in RD Block in Wakaji region. And now the news in detail. It is a long-awaited day for Soyong and the candidates contesting in the 2023 MLA elections. Being a victor will determine their ability and power to govern the Soyong constituency. On the 10th May, the people of Soyong constituency reached their polling booths to cast their deciding votes on their representative. All the 6 candidates are hopeful to win, but the sad fact is that only one will claim victory over the rest. Soyong constituency produced 34,783 voters. From amongst the 6 candidates who will receive the highest votes and who will claim the victory is unknown. The people have just to wait until the results are declared. 92 out of 100 voters completed casting their votes at 1 p.m. The political parties who had competing candidates includes BJP, HSPDP, TMC, UDP, NPP and Congress.
Excited nak duduk menyun bersyiat nak isyam bila abne mo bangin buat bantap itu kabut buat kedai ga sim tu bani kampi pas buat ha bangin buat bantap ni kabut mo jung ami sim kena tu kelang ba kidai ban buat ja utak nang ikhat mo ba kidai ban ba kiken kiaman mo sebab ba kidai ban jet utak nang ikhat ba sen syarhak ya kari ka ban dia tam ya constituency ni wah kata ni kejung ami sih nak kalau mak dia menjet itu nami khat mau balak wan mak sumber di development di constituency ya kata ni nama pantai itu mau kajing jenjang ini salah wan buat kam macam
so tenan ai ngo yu blai blai kana liwen bu yu ahmad mulai kam jule Shillong confident buat baru ada kasur cuma buat kat Shillong keleng kalau katahi so kabiang I'm very much confident bahwa kele ni kita buat baik kalau kita kasur cuma buat kalau bangin ya mi baik kau kasur beli kasur bangin kerjaan aja kabar diri lu macam parti UDP
kimat ka election campaign pila keren
Ngate nglayang lang bagini ki mat play discuss lang na report mahe ki personal manifesto di mahe ki ba bon phangaroy ka par ka ba ham kongsan ek in a line permit number 2 ka kanika roster recruitment system and kawi bre ham kongsan ni mamta bar khani campaign keleng ka uniform civil code kata hi rigimat kami discuss bahawa dari mulai wibet yang on pas for assembly te kata hi kami akan menyelesai kita baik pak kita rigimat campaign polisi campaign session jangan ini ate ngam karai ngam trip di kata te nomor MPP ne ada parti I feel yang pe hanong dem ba parti UDP ka di banjop
Meghalaya tak keleng kembanya pratali ki polling station ini kan positif aku betul buat tapi pada bar aku wan sebentar kabe dia bagian kasih kita kitab ya buat tengah sekarang ada kecing kerman kebagangan job yang ini ka election dua mentah dah kecing ia job pada bar ia kecing red jangan jauh polling station fair bagi beliau ki Arab bagi ong bahkan kecing elek mentah kalau bersemangat terkata kali kui kebagangan ni hangi tersoyong ni kim jukam ciat rumah rabon lo kortong kele hi bakum no ban pek Kami ini kan kecil kon kadon di kamera kita giba don kecil kon dia ban om baksa tab tu don riau ninyo tingi sini gipet bah kumno banyale abai dia bencet kuartong bat wei ban kong wei bar wei balai kita hi gipet kata te mla banlan kalau kecil sah bakjele hi kade baka NPP UDP ban ban kong bar kita hi te bede ki parti kum ka parti kongres lu kadon ni te ki kam duna jing pe ki jonga be de ba jing karsan ju pa ba ro jing don jing te pa ba karsan ni parti ju ki kata tilang palsa hi ki keno be na ra ban ong temne e te pet ni ke ni surok na ni stay mano bale kanina ni stay mano bale ba kani yung school ro hang ni mata kada bio ka wak dar e ban trai ban patmai ni ka government LP school ni po mo marang kada bio ka wak dar e kum ba sop san lang kum ba pra kam rai e kum no ban pelitanan yani classroom jong hang ni ba kini ki fencing ni ke e bar khoi bang trai kum ba mung di ni kum ba nyau kro e te skai ba de ban le ekta ni ki brio ba kano ba de susim issue ka election mom lai e ande de ki ngam de si konstri ba fa ki om la ban lan lo la le ta ka si
Nada ki pagba do ka sayang kujit yang pisik kin kong nungit mat ki mat ki mat ki ban kong do ba dengan ra
pi ka mat ban kong do ka long kum ni ba ni dei ban pan ra swa ban pan ne song 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 sai dei ban alat ba hadien ka election ba kan mi ka kan ram hadien nang tu ba de ka daron song song sai ka policy ban trai ba ka long kum no ban wara ya takarai ka par sini ka sino jongi habe dei ban pan ba ya ka ka kia badro ya ka education ka agriculture bat ki sport bat ki wigi banta habe dei ba kan ka chim jongi sini sino te ka e ka bang la don pa ka jing thu kum no ban trai bat ki don ru hang ne so yong jongi ki ba pun ki kamba iran kamban le sibun maka de ko si ba de sino kan dong ka jaka ro ka ba he ngimla ban le tong san ni ha ban trai biang hani ka tem bon wan ye ke e ba sa kan pandam ta kamero ta ka ba ka e ka bang nga trai ba ka san long cái đầu tiên các bạn sakri bạn ngắt tray và khám tam cái election các bạn extend biang cái này cả por tengah snow kalau badan kam hadu kata kana tristom ban pedikna bancam vậy đây bạn cái party NPP.
The National Law University of Meghalaya will begin different undergraduate programs in different disciplines, which includes BA LLB, BSc LLB and BBA LLB, which will take 5 years to complete. The students who will clear the exams for the particular discipline will receive the degree for Bachelors of Arts and Bachelors of Law. The Vice-Chancellor, Professor Indrajit Dubey, and the Commissioner and Secretary, Education Department of the State, Praveen Bakshi, IAS, announced the functioning of the university, which will begin on the 10th July and will admit students with 12 pass. From the month of July, the postgraduate LLM will begin for students aspiring to master law and who are eligible with the LLB degree.
To the career board of the students, they will also help them to choose their career based on the student interest and attributes, where they people, they can feel themselves are very strong in those particular domains. They will also help in arranging the internship nationally and internationally to these particular students, and also support in the placement in the corporate, in-house lawyering, and even with the advocate and the trial court, even with the judges as a judicial clerk. At university in the future, interested to promote the legal entrepreneurship. This is a newer concept, because we found that there is a lot of space in technology domain where the judicial process can be supported. And I believe there is a much less work has been done in the country, so there can be a legal entrepreneurship will be promoted within the university. And whenever we are putting the student with the trial advocate and the lawyers, or they are engaging into the legal entrepreneurship, and we found that they are not finding themselves suitable in that domain, though they have ventured there. In those cases, we will also allow them for a defer any part of the country or internationally. We can do that. And in the university also, we are we have ambition to promote a joint degree program with the university nationally or institute nationally and internationally, and we are working for that. And we have also introduced another concept in the university. It is called a micro degree program in a master's level. That means the professionals can come back in the university, they can reskill themselves or upskill themselves, and they can, at the end of the day, can acquire, once they accumulate the credit, they can acquire the postgraduate degrees. So now let me brief a bit about how we are going to administer in this particular program, whatever we have talked with you until now. So in the university, we'll have, as Mr. Karumnai mentioned, that we are going to be driven by technology, educational technology ecosystem. So we are introducing learning management system in the university. We are introduced the hybrid classroom. All of our classrooms are hybrid classrooms. So that means it is not only it can be used for the physical lectures, but it can also be remote lecturing from any part of the world, and there can be real-time interactions. So we can get a professor, maybe let us say in other jurisdiction, maybe from America, Australia, Canada, or maybe some of the Europe or another country, where we feel that that particular talent is available for us. Thought more on this particular domain itself. Now, in university, we also thought something new in this particular university. Like for the undergraduate program, we are going to introduce the dual degree program, which is somehow different from the integrated law program, which is until now promoted by all the national law universities or other universities. In the dual degree program, what we are telling that we'll have a same kind of emphasis for the domain knowledge as well as the law knowledge. So tomorrow, the student can pursue his career not only in the law domain, but they can also pursue their career in the domain itself. So imagine somebody is doing a course on policy science and law. So maybe tomorrow he might pursue or she might pursue her career most on policy science or policy science research, not in the law. Whereas somebody is doing the course in data science, so they can focus their career in the data science along with the law itself, or independently in those particular domains, but they can build on the interdisciplinary issues. In fact, in the postgraduate, university will eventually start the interdisciplinary program in the coming years, and the spirit will be the similar, so that the manpower which we are bringing, they are fit to this kind of a creative economy. We wanted our student to have exposure not only nationally and internationally, and we are working for that to work on that, how this particular things can be feasible. I want to talk something for the faculty, those who will be joining in this particular university or aspirant to this joining to this university. This university is going to provide an ecosystem where you will be free to conduct your research, because I believe as a faculty we all want the freedom, and we wanted to do the research and bring something which may be in the newer domain. So university is going to provide every kind of support and ecosystem for the faculties who are joining. And in the university, as we have said, that our school will be interdisciplinary. We are not looking only for the law faculty, but the faculties may come from any domain which is relevant for the university's research and the study program. So in this particular moment, I will also welcome the students in this particular university, because this will be a newer experiment, and it is a very futuristic university. It is driven on the technology platform, and this particular university will also be interdisciplinary in nature. So large number of the academic who are interested to join in interdisciplinary type of research, or want to promote their interdisciplinary courses, this is the best university to join. And with this, I will thank everybody who have joined in this particular the conference. And I will also request to the student of our state here in Meghalaya, as well as student of the entire country and even internationally, to think positively about this particular university, join this university, make this university vibrant, and develop the university by your thought process and the contribution. A different kind of a manpower, and that's what I'm repeating whatever I have told in the beginning, that we are not wanted to create a same kind of a skill set people. every student who are going to go out from this particular university will have a different skill set, depend on his choice. So that means we are basically increasing the employability of these particular people in the job market, right? They are not same skill, rather different skill, and that's what required for a creative economy, which we have referred in the beginning. To start from the 10th July, the academic program. Yes, we are almost everything is in the place now, and we are going for a recruitment at present with the faculty, and I think by the end of, first week of the June will be everything ready and we'll to start.
So how is the admission students and the
We have a good number of applications we have got from all over the country for the faculty. And we have also found that many faculty who are working in leading and eminent institutions, they have expressed their interest to join, and they have applied for that. And in the faculty application, we have asked for the vision for the NLU, right? And we have asked for a number of SOPs. One of the vision for NLU, what is your 5 years planning into the research, what kind of a pedagogy you wanted to use. And at my surprise, I found the people who has brought this particular kind of write-up is quite commendable. So I believe we are going to get a good faculty. And as I told you that we don't have a limitation in terms of a faculty, because we have created a hybrid classroom. So now we can create anywhere in the world. Second thing is that the courses are very small. So even if we engage some faculty in some good institution for delivering these particular courses, they can do that, because the maximum hour of the courses of 2 credit will be 22 hours.
The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council (KHEDC) on the 10th May 2023 decided to abolish the kilo deduction of any agricultural item in Yodo and also all other marketplaces under the jurisdiction of KHEDC. The decision was made in a meeting between leaders of the District Council, members of the office of the SAM of Himalayan, farmers and traders. Speaking to the media person, CM Tito Starwal Khan informed that the District Council will issue a notification which is equivalent to an order from the Himalayan that there will be no more kilo deduction of agricultural produce and all are to abide by the norms laid down by Himalayan. The final decision made was that the EC had presented an amendment bill known as the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Establishment Management and Control of Market, under which the kilo deduction of goods is strictly prohibited.
Hukum kepala daka membelim keboong ba kadorbar u acting sim lima melim kalarai banyai penbena kum bajule manlap snam ban penkenmau bayaki marep bawan ra dikinong rep bandi hayudu ni kinu kiyo ibahap po ihmamelim kinong thiet kidei bandat tho biang pat yaki kho iberni bat ikria bala pentheli hadin bala pelat nethe yo marep nang banduk tip katnu ka kho lani ka berni ka kriya khia bat sakati kata kalong ka hukum ka bala ai na kaliam jong imamelim kanang ba kanum don kata ka jingut na kinora te akabede bat kajing ka ba nong khayi ki kandu ya gani ru nila ya tai ba kata ka bangla ai jingut nong khayi balada long kumnu dei ban pentikna ba kinong rep ki ban ke ki ma ki kanang ban yu i balada liang kinong rep ki don ki ba le sitiaru ban kre lang yu marpun lan yu babaru kinyo banjir te lada ki kentaj yang nunu umarep uba kilap mungdil bapuut lan yu bomlong kata kam dei ban ong ki bangi laot kilo jadi ban siembet bagade gajing kentaj mo kadi gajing kentaj itu marep kamu la kentaj no itu marep uba ut lan yu balasni dei baka kentin ka ban mi ban ong ot kilo kam dei ban mi syu den re lada dan pat kino rep pat kiba dang snow pediang ni kata gajing ot kilo kata ka syong hati nak kalian kajungi nginum dan syuk kan nono gajing kitli ya komputer kan dapat tiba pediang ya kata tengok ring ka rai mentara si kalau along bet salam sa ba kani gajing ot kilo kam de ban syuk bat ila shimdu ya goi rai Bagata kalong ba ngin penmi ya kan notification mentai nakaliang ke council kabalong jo kani hukum nakaliang Imam Liam bakani kan notification kan long ya baro kiyo kibadan hapo upu usam jongka district council kata kan notification ngin penmi menta kena maka jingot kilo kanum dei bandon haboi kam dei bandon anong stoin kam dei bandon hakanonu kiyo kibadan hapo ka put usam jongka district council kabalai kenang magani ke jing kabangila manpet nakapor sa kapor nilaray ba ngindon ke komiti ka bakatpang special committee ha ka ba clear na mga UCM ba rengkat ke jing rengkat ke UCM rengkat ba iba penyat ba kumjuru ba ki nakaliang jong ke union ke hills farmer union kinongkit kam ba kumju nakaliang kinong kai ba rengkat ba ki clear no sensa kemudian KCM isoda jong kiniki ilakan hima di badan hapo pu sam jong ka district council baga jingelang ka bakapang ataba nakaliang jongi ke isi i danangi ia mencat song ka market ia mencat song ka ilakan ia mencat song ka street ia mencat song ka enforcement ba pumjuru iba peniat sing CM tolong MDC buat kerja kapor deputy CM barang jengi ilakat ini jalan hari jengi dan rekat jongi CM buat menteri CM jongka Imam Liam nangta nakalian kinong elam jongka Hills Farmer Union bakum juru nakalian jongki nong kahi di badan yudu balik ikat ini jengi lang kalong ba nadu kesenam Al-Hajar khat pra bat khat handai terderes niladon bhagi jinge kenduk ki bana kapor se kapor ha ka bedei bat ka jinge jok nong rep kham tam particular kepada yapo yudu ka ba ki nong rep na kapor se kapor ki ju ai ki jing ujor shangi ba kadon kata ka jing 4 kilo ya ki nong rep tikani ka jing ka ba đây ke badang sien dari ketika belaslam dan dari nakaliang jong ki isi ke beladap badak por ke ba iba penya ilong deputy CM ngiladon ke komiti ke bekerpang kalau kini benta ba ilong chairman bat nado kata ka meeting ke ba ngilong haus nam aja khatanda bat lengba kini kan notification ke ba laai nani ka hukum ke ba laai nakaliang jong ka Imam Liam alor kani ka jing 4 kilo nrei hadu mentang ngim sibio kanunu ka jing ujon ngim sibio syu adin bala peni kani lo isan sibio syu kanunu ka jing ujon bakan don ka 4 kilo den rei isutu bahang ni hantai ka don ka jing tena ta kadau ni la review biak la ni khot biang ni ka jing lang mentasi lang banyak liu jing mo syu ba kai ka bang le ni sman namar bang isutu ba wan la da kam la don kata kecing ka balong prom ka balong major rei hang ni hantai isutu ka don kecing ujor na kinong rep ba kadang ya ketika kilo den halang ba kani kecing kendo antara sengi kecing beliau jengmut ngila sim me karai ba kata kalong ba dadu menta 6 day bandon kanunu kecing 4 kilo apo eudo ngikwa ban pentip syak di paitba pada kalian ke council mdei bang isu hala tang ya kan ke kam ke jing jo pinong rep tang kumni kembagi kendo jing ma teng teng ban su hala kasuk ban su he tang am kasuk nrengi perkhat ka kau berta kalong kani ke isi kalawan ra ya ka we ka bill ya we ka act ka bengi ong ka amendment bill kabadai ya ka Khasinews Autonomous District Establishment Management and Control of Market kani di ka second amendment kabangilawan ra lengba kani ka padha kani ka kiladon kini ki close kiba ngila mana teng hage jinga dei ba kani ka kiladon ki section ki bang insert ani ba nginang penbha ju padha ka ju ka poru hadin bangila dep finalize kali ngin say kendo ya state government ba kan pen state aka bangin yo no ya ka asen no gobernur Bangan itu ipi sisin makan ni kaak ngelayo ban asen no gubernur kini giji tiba ngia kendu nak kapos on salah ban biarau on salah ban. Tekata kadai kaba kasin jam kaba kani ka eksekutif komiti kaba shim kia halo kecik ke pinong. Ya kani ka second amendment nadu senam arajar abuwe ngelawan raknan hadin mengilai kendu ikni giji. Hadin mengilai kendu iknong rep ni kendu iki seng nong rep ni kendu iki nong kayi bana ta kadau ni sawara bet da ka ai ki ban syukran kasuk rela dangim dan ka ai menu ban petrek kamera menu ban enforce ki syuong yu brio yu nong kayi wat nomor kilo re hatu ka don ka ai ka bahang ban nomor kilo kam dan din re kani ka de ka ai ka bagi lasna apa district council kumnu ban khangla sindon ya kini ka sibat kilo kini ilong ki bentar di pengakuan ban saya ban seperti perok.
People from Wakaji regions along with the KSU Southwest Khasi Hills demanded the government to establish a CNRD block office because the CNRD Maukarwat is too far from easy access. There are about 44 villages in the block which is too far of a distance which pushes the people in grave difficulties when they are in urgent need of assistance. The leaders representing the people and the KSU met with A.T. Mondal, Minister of the State, on the 10th May and requested him to tend to the grievance of the people of Wakaji region. A.T. Mondal accepted the request and vowed to take the matter to the attention of the Chief Minister in one of these days.
So, Singapore, nakaliang sengiki no emotional, ni dan muntah ni. Di ngangate usaha yang kasino angkat, ya kerja yang kejonga dari usaha free walan. Di ni dan huni kumki sodar yang kasino juga tega kan kedong, ka iri hibar kuwe, na du kasino muriam, haduk kan warsindo nang ta bat ke iri pangdiloy. Rengkat tu bat ka ki kun samla juga Khasi Student Union, juga kan ni tangmik utana orkestra pasca keburan juli pada long kabala apa yang sahabatnya rablam ini ban penyok kawai ke blok ha tiga tan laka long ha Wakaji dan ha untuk lundu nomor ni siam sistem sibun kumkin ososno jang tiga tan ke dong ke iri nomor ba tiba Siang henti ha tan pangdiloy ni hapan lechat banles dan kamsa blok kareniko hapan jat kemba jat kemba lain sabunta da jingjengai galak menolong pemakat prani kat kedai kilometer nangta kini tiba siang syawar sindo Wakaji kan haplang ha kareniko nangta kini ki bana wasindo ru ki hapan lek sya mokorwat kidon ru ki balek sya nostoi di ka wak jengas pun yakiru banlet syaduk mau keluar Indonesia nostoi nama ka jingjenga kalau lu tombah ki stan ho kilometer tamai di kom ki paiba ki don sisa hapeng jong kajing stom ko bijur nak mutapan let dan kam siki history kam tentang blok bat kiwe di lembah jong kini kecil nila siem ya ka rai bain let panjakandu ya minister in charge kunci urut ya tersorka ban jarap lem nak mutlak ketika kan kadong jongi kenang ban wanra ya kecing jam jongi pai pak rengka ba ka orkestra kam jong tersorka
iwen yang song te haga jing sha kalong ba na la propose ka sorkar kumba sap lagi senang ban hap kata blok kita blok bansna la kalong dolur na ne Wakaji kia tadi di Jakarta bangi la propose kia bede gani lagi penduk nak puas support kum nagala ngasang ya dan meeting dalam senang de Malaysia yakran dai bakani ngilara harus sorkar senang ibadat na tawan senang ke blok bolong tentang ini kisnong kidon kisnong ke bahap apa karan korblok kidon per kisnong ke bahap apa mau kurat blok lan eno stoy te kajing kalong ba kini kisnong ke bahap apa ka ini senang ke bahap apa karan korblok di hapan ya sidat kembali sau kanta ban lara kile dol kam sapo office block bat kini kisnong na po mo kurat pat ki bahap po mo kurat blok pat ki hap ban som kali mane ki hapan ya ki jinga hai ba lai 4 kilometer hadu 4 kilometer te bat kawe ru ngilang on ba kani gadong khan gitu gadong khan ko sa den bro kiliang ki bon ki breu golong ba teng golong ba tang ban apply ya ki scheme ba fa lagi ding video lagi ding old age pension scheme bu ka bani akhanya ka jingyo bar ka jinglot chungki bar kami hap su solution te halor bu bun kini ki egi udrandu ki bayu benta te halor bu gede ki benta golong ban kalen jongi ki ka kesu sa hasil shek ka kesu lahi mazun lamar kini alam snong na po yang tu dong khan milaw ne kendu ban pen kenmau markani kam de kesim kom kita ban kenmau de ka sarkar na kam ta ka jimakam kerki ban snan ka blok ka ban pej ka baha kamiat ka ban pej ki dinong kam jong ki ba no kadong ban na ka roi ka par jong ki mi sap pri chnong.
Meghalaya District Project Management Unit West Garo Hills, in collaboration with Focus Prime, CLLMP, Make Life, organized a knowledge sharing workshop which was held in Dakop Grey. The aims of the workshop is to share knowledge on IVCS operations, CMC marketing and producer groups such as black pepper, cashew nuts, ginger, pineapple, piggery, turmeric, mustard, weaving, tea, vegetables, among others. Sumit Kumar Singh, Assistant Commissioner, West Garo Hills, was the chief guest. V. Valentine DPM, MBDA, MBMA graced the workshop and delivered a welcome speech highlighting the importance of cooperatives, PG's activities, development and initiatives. Also present were members from the Federation and producers from different blocks who shared different stories, experiences and ideas to encourage a fruitful learning experience from each other.
IVCS la ko nitam rangode mandirang memberang sobdonga chasa nege donga nitam rangode chabonga hadar sabonga ha agi nigi tamonga ha dao ara yerang dumagan mo yagi kolachi ni society ni member rang ni share buiye dukot ko padolonga All Garo Hills multipurpose cooperative society dao baba dama base kain bane chinga chon ko kamrang ko dao kabana abe chingi ha tao maini gemen rupengrang maini gemen ya anching ni asongo anching andandangan ya cooperative bikote anching ni jangge tangani ko dingthang atra nanginya maini gemen saw bagan para margen ma maini gemen cooperative bikote anching ni jangge tangani ko dingthang atra nangamanangja hai Nangamanangja? Nanga, very good. Maini given nanga? Maini given nanga? Number 1. Visit Chisni Angaya Kamrang Kaniyo, Anganika, Asachiranga Bikota ha, Farmers Club Ranga Bikota ha, Munsa Kamba, Mandirang Jangitanganiona, Kanyanganika. Maina, Pamani Nigara Dumacha. The Burani Gisepo, Angni, Masichong Makupa, Arwangni ning tubi chanchiemang wieraye masig pamsawnga anchini manderang gode toksanoni dolongi mingsa kamna yakon khana longin nengbiya ini anganika ngamong jama repegram ngamong jama ya biwal ko anchen songsalo nikenya toromu nikenya aru intanda chonchon gopa group ramo nikenya Mandirango, Chimungi, the Olsan Mate, Aro Apchan the K, Yakudina, Minsa Kama Apchan, Kangari Kana, Mandira and Blongen and Chini Asongo, Nigdika. Mamongja, Chanchakani, Angana Mamongja, Aganako Masia Masija, Angni Aganako Masia Masija, Masio the Masia Yaganbo, Masja the Masija, Mamongja Agan Taratai.
On the 10th May, the Association for Democracy and Empowerment ADE, a Czech youth welfare organization AYWO, and Nik Samso Garo Community Organization members visited the Bakmara Civil Hospital in South Garo Hills and demanded the quick repair of leaking roofs that has been causing difficulties to patients. Leaks are occurring in the hospital's medical wards and the quarters are under similar circumstances. The members of the organization went to the hospital to inspect the situation for themselves and met with the hospital in charge along with the district health officials to express their disappointment with the ward's appalling state. Therefore, the united organization demanded the hospital and quarters roof be repaired at the earliest because the monsoon season is expected to hit this month. On the 10th May, Mayoral Bond's aim, Emily Nongpo, as the chief guest, inaugurated the memorial stone in memory of the founders of the Nongtlo High Secondary School. Present in the occasion includes 10.MAY.2023, the granddaughter of Dr. D.D. Lapang, who was supposed to inaugurate the memorial stone, but due to his ill health, he could not make it to the occasion. Representing Dr. D.D. Lapang, S.O. Lingscore, General Secretary of Dr. D.D. Lapang Foundation, participated in the event. The present three founders of the school, Dr. D.D. Lapang, Nipshon Linkring and Wanderson Shilla, were venerated, whereas the 8 founders who have passed away were represented by their grandchildren.
Ya ki parlok nong seng jong ka school pon nam teng jong ki kim shime don ka na pat ni me por le si ki ba yim ba sen jong ki ke don ni ma ka so ha ya ki kunjo bang ai ku beker pang ya ki founding members ni ki don ba ni lai mut ki ba ya don ring ka nam bet ka ye chora ba ni seng ya ka ni ka school kalong ka ni ka school kalong ka shakri ka bakra na ka benta ka dong but ya ka shnong kin thot ya ka time he borok away but ida next camp ba ka school ka la ban bin mi ya ki khanna ki ba tebet ki ba start haman la kinya la ban la ka long ka puli puthi ni ka sports ni ka tem ka pot ka roi ka sia but ki we de ki jai kam ki ba don burom ha ka time ni boy ni ju shem badon bon ikon samla kin pay bat rang badon kasap kapong but ki ju yai say na ka por sha ka por la ka long ha ka sports ne ha ka tem ka put craftsmanship la ka long ha ka shnai de ki tiar tem tiar put ri jing ri than jing than ko ha sha ri ka than le ki bon hang e don ki nong ka de sem ye ni ki din than jong ni jong shani but nga ju yak gi but bet ni but nga ju yak gi but bet di nang ka ki sap ki talan but am la shu banda jer ka ten yot ya paro but nang he kani ka school lingwa kan jingya lam jong principal vice principal ki nong ikai ki nong kit kam ni la ban sendul ya kini kena tatuan la ya ka lawe ka khnai na ka benta jong ki kila banyeng halaki jong hija. I pa ikin tu yakinong hikay ban tre shiton. Tre ho bor bat mensim nagabenta kini ikana bat kaburam kalong ka jong pi. Ngangay kong blame unay pi yakajing sta bat kajing shampang bapinya namin ki hakalenti siya kajing jong. Nagkarmen bay pa kumbangan layak semua dan kesekolah gadap satu kelas yang kadang jam satu kelas yang saat supply sem, but sakanya sakat tu tak sem hingga jam sakat golden jubilee mu lapan ang san sem ki but ikan ida ong ba ngangit ba kanang roy nakapo sa po nakisnem kumbay iyo imenta. But ngangit pa iyo inang yokbo but pa inang.
So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.